Hello everyone. Today let's take a look at the XRP coin. What's happening on the chart? When we can expect growth and when potential pump might occur. Let's start with the fact that we had a historical resistance level at $3.40, which we successfully broke. The current highest level on the exchange is $3.66, which is quite strong for XRP. The lowest level in 2025 was a support zone at $1.76. Overall, that's good signal. We only touched it once. It's possible that market makers were aiming to grab liquidity, meaning stop losses of long-term holders. But we only had one or two touches here, no more. That's why I believe we are unlikely to see XRP below $2. On the daily chart, we also have a very strong order block. Unfortunately, there is no accompanying blue block. When a blue block appears along with an order block, it forms a strong support area, which buyers typically use as a bounce point. We currently have a minor buying zone around $2.37. This is considered a key control area for buyers. In my opinion, everything here already depends on Bitcoin. Compared to other coins, none of them pumped as hard. In mid-July, we saw a strong pump. Many coins took off, while others did not even break out of their downtrend structures. However, XRP broke through its historical resistance. Technically, the coin is showing strong bullish momentum. For me, that's great. I personally expect only upward moment. There is a red block here that I don't like. Let's open the hourly chart for the upcoming week and see what we can expect. The chart show only red blocks. These blocks indicate potential downside. As you can see, there is not a single blue block, which is not a good sign. There are also no order block at the moment, so most likely we'll see a drop into that area followed by a pullback, possibly just below the level or maybe just before it. It all depends on what unfolds. Since the 21st we are being in a clear downtrend, to me it's completely obvious. Here is one point, a second point, a third, a fourth and a fifth. From here it all depends on whether the trend breaks. If the bearish trend holds, then the price will reach this level, bounce and break lower, grabbing liquidity. If the trend breaks, and right now we are seeing very green and positive news, then it could be broken. The price could reach the 2.80 level or even bounce earlier. It might reach the order block, pull back slightly from two touches, then break through the block, move to the next level, pull back again and continue upward toward its historical high. We already have two touches here. Most likely there will be a third touch or even a breakout right away. Personally, I am very bullish. I don't believe we will go back to $2 again. In my opinion, that scenario is unlikely. I've already outlined my plan for the next months. If there is no breakout, it's a continuation of the downtrend. If we drop below $2.70, it means the bearish trend is still in play. If we break this trend line and break through the $3.10 level, that signal a shift from bearish or bullish and a move towards the historical high. Now to the news. First of all, there is very strong market activity on the Upbit exchange, a South Korean platform. Something crazy is going on over there. XRP is trading with more liquidity than Bitcoin and Ethereum. It is currently the most actively traded asset on the exchange. We have more positive news. There is chance that the SEC won't continue its appeal against Ripple, similar to what happened recently with another another case. Ripple has already paid a 1025 million settlement, and if I am not mistaken, the SEC returned 75 million. Both sides have withdrawn their appeals. The case is almost over. All that's left is for the judge to the bank the gavel and finalize the documents. Once that is done, the case will be completely closed. We are seeing almost daily news of new banks integrating with the XRP and Ripple system, which is definitely encouraging. XRP has also been added to the list of assets for the US cryptocurrency strategic reserves. So overall there is a lot of positive news. I don't see a drop to $2. I see strong and sustainable growth ahead. Let's open the daily chart. Everything looks very positive. We are broken out of the range, had a slight pullback, and although Bitcoin is not growing yet, the outlook remains bullish. This correction could reverse at any moment. We could move up quickly. There are not strong supports for now. The K1 starts around $2.20, but XRP is very news sensitive coin. One major headline and it could skyrocket without needing any support level at all. That's why I remain bullish. I'm an XRP holder and believe in its growth. What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments. Subscribe and leave a like. Good luck and have a great day. Bye bye.